My dear kids, I am your teacher Tashween and welcome to math class. Today's lecture overview is we are going to learn about number names, number in words 1 till 10. So my dear kids, let's learn number names together. We will find numbers everywhere, my lovely kids, as we know their shapes. Now we are going to learn their names together. Here is the reinforcement of numbers 1 till 5. Okay, so let's look at the flashcards. Number 1, O-N-E-1. Number 2, T-W-O 2. Now look at the number 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. 4, F-O-U-R 4. 5, F-I-V-E 5. Now my dear kids, learn more. Number 6, S-I-X 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. Now my dear kids, look at the number 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. 9, N-I-N-E 9. Here is the last number, that is 10, T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. Okay, my dear kids, now take a small recap of all these numbers 1 till 10. 1, O-N-E 1. 2, T-W-O 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. 4, F-O-U-R 4. 5, F-I-V-E 5. 6, S-I-X 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. 9, N-I-N-E 9. 10, T-E-N 10. Thank you, my dear kids.